Here is an amazing green plant. I gather that their official names are caladiums. I've been calling them the large green leaf there for a while. But very interesting plant because this is about as large as it can get in South Florida that I know of. And I've been growing it for a few years now, and this one actually looks like it's very comfortable with its little skin there. You can see the size of the leaves. They're over 6 feet tall, and the plant just has a tendency to throw out. This is a rooting that was put in 2 years ago, and like I say, it seems to be very comfortable. And alongside of it, I have the elephant ears in the back there, which grow rather large when they're comfortable. But this year, for some reason, they didn't grow this green because the heat was just unbearable back here. And the elephant ears just seem to have just taken a shut back and go up. Apparently, didn't affect this little darling. This caladium is perfectly happy and in the home of Green Dougherty, GreenDougherty.com. If you want one of these little darlings, I have several little rootings all over the backyard. And that's it. Come visit the website when you get a chance. GreenDougherty.com. Thank you.